I am working with the WWF-Kenya to actually conserve and adopt our forests. Sport actually should be the driver to drive this narrative, because sport is the only way to bring people together. And if the people actually come together, they can conserve the environment by actually spreading the message of conservation and planting that tree. The fulfillment is seeing that tree growing. Let us go to the forest and plant trees. And the next year we'll celebrate because our world will be green.